Former Judge Tracie Hunter was not sentenced today as expected after the Supreme Court granted her stay, giving her time to appeal. Hunter was convicted of unlawfully helping her brother. 9 on Your Side's Roseanne Aragon spoke with the original judge in the case, as well as Hunter's supporters, about what will happen now.
Previously convicted former Judge Tracie Hunter will not spend the next 6 months in jail. Instead, she'll be working on her appeal as a free woman. Judge Norwood Nadel, who presided over the original trial, says this case is extraordinary.
Any problem that could happen sort of happened in this case.
A messy case dating back to spring of 2014. Hunter was convicted of giving her brother, a county employee, confidential documents before a disciplinary hearing. Judge Nadel says the breach of public trust is clear as day.
It was a confidential juvenile file that shouldn't have been turned over. It was a breach of ethics, and as I indicated, it was a breach of the law.
But State Senator Cecil Thomas says she did nothing wrong. Earlier this week, a bombshell. The prosecution announced it would drop 8 other pending charges.
They threw all these charges on the wall. None of them had any real basis of whatsoever. We knew that the history of her situation, this was basically just an attempt to get her off the bench.
Hunter was elected in 2010, but after winning a controversial vote, she took the bench in 2012.
That was just another example of the abuse of the authority of the position.
Prosecutors argued Hunter's brother's testimony showed he received documents. Her supporters say it was public record, but after a series of appeals, Nadel maintains her first trial was fair.
It was a cross-section of people. There was African Americans on the jury, there was men, there was women. It was done in the open. The jury reached a unanimous verdict on 1 count.
Reporting Roseanne Aragon, 9 on Your Side.
Hunter's attorney had asked for a review of the appellate court's decision. The judge this morning set a potential meeting date in March.